have always been an advocate for Indigenous children and women, and they always haven't been heard by the society. I do believe that being an advocate for that shows me that we should always speak up to whatever we believe into. Because being marginalized doesn't dictate you to whatever you are. You are your own, and you should always believe in yourself. Because being in the marginalized society doesn't only divides us, it gives us differentiation that doesn't give us unity. And that's why I believe that we should be respectful with each other. No matter what we believe in, no matter what we are, and no matter who we are. Because we are a community and we should help each other. Thank you.